bet, walk through, where your head at, watch out. Back up before I blick you, hit him, then I hit you.
Oh.
Just wanna fuck so bad, yeah, I miss you. Finna have my diamond chain on when I hit you. Talking all that nonsense, nah, I don't hear you.
My nigga trying to throw bullets. Bro, I'm trying to buy basketballs, y'all boys. What the fuck? What the fuck? Bro. Yeah, hold this. Alright, bro, I'm gonna hide this. Hope I can get it back another day. Yo, alright, boys. Yo.
Hide this bitch. Me.
Bro, I'm trying to buy these basketballs. These niggas fucking with me. Bro, I hope these basketballs blow up, bro. I'm talking about like two. There ain't no cheap ones though. These like pretty cheap, like $10. Bro. nigga, let's go. Hey, look. Back up, bro. Bro, back up. You too close, gang. With a chase.
Back up, gang. For the 3-man.
For the 3-man. Look. We finna buy. Bro. What's up with this nigga, bro? This is a bad camera, man.
Bro, I'm amazing.
Alright, look. We finna buy these basketballs and we finna go crazy, bro. What time is it right now? I don't even know. It's get a bitch o'clock. So we finna go buy these shits, bro. Come on. Why are you so close? Back up, bro. Back up. Back up, bro.
Oh shit, bro.
Goddamn. Let's go buy these shits, bro. Shut up. No, bro. Stop recording me, bro.
Yeah, you don't even gotta hold the ball for it, bro. Arena.
This is so hard.
Yeah, that shit's gonna explode, man. I don't even think you need to see a titty, bro.
No, I think this is solid.
This is solid, bro. Stop.
This video is so long overdue. After like weeks and weeks of planning, like filming, the basketball like exploding in my cameraman's hand. Like I cannot make this shit up. Like this video is long overdue. You already said by the title, but we're just gonna blow basketballs. While we're playing basketball, ain't not much to it. Look, this is NotVirall in the building. I'm dropping videos every day. Anyways, we're gonna get mic'd up here, and then we're just gonna get the reactions that we want. Bro, this video has been supposed to drop, bro. I'm horrible, bro. Like this YouTube shit is not easy when it comes to me. I swear to God. We're just gonna get mic'd up and then start pumping the basketball. I hope nobody gets hurt, because like my cameraman really got messed up, y'all boys. Oh. Oh shit. Fam, it's just not working, fam.
Oh.
Oh. Shit. What the hell?
Oh.
What do you guys do?
It was just the ball. We're testing out one of the pumps and then
Okay, can you go grab it from me?
I don't even know where it went.
Can I ask you to leave?
I mean, okay. Leaving.
Where's the mother? Where's your parents? We're gonna go to sleep.
We're leaving.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. That's my basketball, bro. That's my basketball. Yo. That shit blew up.
I know. Leo, now fucking get back.
Whoa. Yeah, I'm good. Oh shit.
Let's go, get back over here.
You're both over there.
It's over there? Whoa. Oh shit. My ball blew up. Yeah. It blew up. That's crazy. What the fuck? Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Yo.